Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. Yeah, that face there, that's my mother, right? I'm actually out, as you can see, with my mother, and we're in sunny Scarborough, just having a look with our binoculars at the view. We've just come for a bit of a look out. Go on, demonstrate, Mum, there we go. Nice little demonstration there. Which is good because she's actually got the caps off, which often doesn't happen, so she can actually see something. I'm not even joking. Anyway, I just had a quick look at the geocaching app, and there's a geocache directly across from where we're actually sat. So while my mum continues staring out the window at stuff, I'm going to go and have a quick look for it. So let's go. My mum's actually quite intrigued. I've just been trying to explain it to her. So I'm going to go and look for it, and if I can find it, I'm going to take it back so that she can see what I'm talking about. Now, she has got Alzheimer's, so I could tell her this time and time again, and she'd forget every time. So if she does happen to repeat herself in this video, you know why. Anyway, yeah, that's where I'm heading, just over there. I know this is going to be a bit of a reveal video, but I'm not going to put the name of the cache in the video. What is quite nice at the moment is look at all the daisies that are out. What is really bizarre, and I don't know whether the camera will pick this up, is there are absolutely loads and loads of snails under here. I mean, you can see some of them there, and there's loads of them stashed in that corner. Weird. So anyway, I found the little rascal. Let's take it and show Mum, because she won't believe I found something this small, I reckon. Back in the car, and this is what that's
a thing like that.
A little thing like that. It's magnetic.
What was that?
Yeah, so it was actually underneath the thing. I think these tweezers are steel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
there you
wow.
go. So you can see it's magnetic. We're going to need these tweezers to get the log out. Do you want to unscrew it?
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So keep going. There we go. You see that tiny little paper log in?
Yeah.
Put that down there. You got it out? There we go. Let's give us that thing. Right, let's put that down here.
Do we unravel it?
Just unravel it a little bit, and you see all the names on it?
Oh.
Right, that's all the people that have found it, that have come looking for it.
Well.
As I say, so I'm going to add my name to that little list.
Well, how do you add it when...
It's quite full, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
You see, I might have to let the cache owner know that the log needs... Yeah, that the log's full, it needs a new log.
Yeah, it's full. Oh, right to the end, look at that.
Yeah. Oh, you see, I could squeeze my little moniker in there, because somebody's been a bit greedy there and taken up a lot of space, haven't they? But yeah. And that's one of the crazy little hobbies that I do. So I go looking for these all over the place. When I go on my little kayaking, camping adventures and so on. This is one of the things I kind of...
Careful, because that's coming apart there.
Yeah. These are only just for the cache owner, just to sort of like know that people are genuine when they've found it. Ultimately, they just get thrown away. And well, unless some cache owners keep them, of course. Let me know in the comments if you're one of those cache owners that keeps hold of the logs once you've taken them out. Because as a new cache owner, I haven't done that yet. I haven't had a full log yet. Right, I'm going to sign this up. Right, I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. And Mum watched me do it all the way. She watched me as I walk all the way down there and put it back. Well, it's a bit of a murky day out there. So we're just going to sit and have a look through our binoculars. Got my Nikon Pro Staffs with me. And that's all for now.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this, you know what to do. If you don't like it, you know what to do.
Give 2 fingers.
Oi, she said there isn't a 2-finger thing though, is there? Have you seen her? This is what I have to put up with. Right. I never take her anywhere, not anywhere posh, for good reason. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing on the channel, you know what to... I can't do anything for laughing now. Thanks for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.